Hello mga lovies! This is Sol and for today's video, we are going to unbox this parcel and I'm a bit excited na because it's been a while since we did the last unboxing video. So tara na, i-unbox na natin itong parcel na ito. So ayan, meron ko idea kung ano ito. Kung na siya sa box, it's Dehusk. Are you familiar with it? It's actually the new product of Christopher and I think the name of Nadine's boyfriend is Christopher, right? And Nadine Lustre. And I'm excited to try this and taste it. Since I've got this on their launching date, merong discount if you will be buying 3 Dehusk spoke milk. So my parcel contains 3 Dehusk milk. And they are in bottle milk. So just like my favorite almond milk, the husk is also a plant-based milk. So you can use the husk in making your latte, cereals, and even your halo-halo. Diba? And this is already 1 liter. During the live of Nadine and Christopher, I asked them if how many days should you consume this if you already opened the lid. And then they answered that it's the same as those full cream milk that is available in the market. So don't worry because its expiration date is 2025 pa. So there's also a nutrition fact here. So the Has is a coconut milk drink. It's different from yung gata ng nyog. Okay, thoughtfully made in the Philippines. If you wanted to find out the nutrition fact of this Dehas, they have this on their container. So I'm going to use this later on in making my favorite overnight oats. So if you chill this, you need to shake it well kasi syempre coconut yan. There's an instance na minsan nagkakaroon ng paghiwalay ng fats tsaka yung milk, di ba?